Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smooth English Talks. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is very important for everyone who wants to improve English speaking but feels shy, afraid, or confused. If you think, I understand English, but I can't speak, this video is for you. So, let's begin. Part 1. Stop waiting for perfect English. Many people wait to speak until their grammar becomes perfect. But perfect English is not needed to speak. Children speak before grammar. They make mistakes, but they speak confidently. So remember this. Speaking comes first. Grammar comes later. Make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Part 2. Speak every day, even alone. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. Speak with yourself. In the morning, say, "Today is a new day. I will try my best." Talk about your daily life, what you are doing, what you are thinking, what you feel. Even 5 minutes daily is enough. Daily practice builds fluency. Part 3. Think in English, not in your language. Stop translating in your mind. When you see water, don't think of the Bangla word. Think, this is water. Start with small sentences. I am hungry. I am happy. I need help. Slowly, your mind will change. Thinking in English makes speaking fast and natural. Part 4. Listen more than you speak. Listening is very powerful. Listen to simple English videos, short stories, daily conversations. Listen carefully to pronunciation, sentence flow, natural pauses. When you listen more, speaking becomes easier. Your brain learns silently. Part 5. Don't be afraid of people. People will not laugh at you. Most people are busy with their own lives. Even if someone laughs, it does not stop your future. Your courage is stronger than someone's opinion. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Confidence is more important than speed. Part 6. Enjoy the process. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Learning takes time, and that time is valuable. Every practice session adds something to your mind. Some days you will speak well. Some days you will feel stuck. Feeling slow does not mean you are failing. It means your brain is learning deeply. Both are normal. Some days progress is loud. Some days progress is silent. Silence does not mean stopping. It means growth is happening inside. Trust yourself. Trust your practice. You are improving every single day, even if you don't notice it. Part 7. Be kind to yourself. Do not speak harshly to yourself. Do not say, I am bad at English. Negative words weaken confidence. Positive words build inner strength. Say instead, I am learning. I am growing. Your journey is personal and unique. Do not compare your path with others. Comparison steals confidence and joy. Focus only on your own improvement. Kind words create confidence. Confidence makes speaking easier. Part 8. Small progress is real progress. You don't need big changes overnight. Real improvement happens step by step. One new sentence is progress. One new word is progress. Repeating simple sentences builds strong foundations. Strong foundations create fluent speech. Even speaking 1 minute more than yesterday is a success. Your mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers guiding you forward. Small steps taken daily create strong speaking skills. Part 9. Build a simple routine. Choose a simple daily habit. 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading aloud. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. Short practice is better than no practice. Routine removes fear and laziness. A calm mind speaks better English. Relaxation allows words to flow naturally. When practice becomes a habit, English feels natural. Part 10. Believe in your voice. Your voice matters. Your effort matters. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You only need to sound like yourself. Your confidence grows each time you speak. Courage becomes stronger with practice. Speak with honesty. Speak with courage. Do not fear pauses or slow speech. Clarity is more important than speed. Your English will grow because you never gave up. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. Before you leave, take a deep breath and remind yourself of one thing. You are learning, and that is something to be proud of. Remember, speak daily, even if your voice shakes. Think in English, even if the sentences feel simple. Don't fear mistakes, because every mistake is a sign of courage. Enjoy learning, because joy makes progress faster and stronger. There will be days when English feels easy. There will also be days when words refuse to come. On those difficult days, do not quit. Do not judge yourself. Just continue. Growth does not always make noise. Sometimes it grows quietly inside you. Every minute you practice, every sentence you try to speak, every time you choose not to give up, it all matters. You may not see the change today, but one day you will speak naturally and smile, remembering these small efforts. If this video helped you even a little, please like, share, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks. Your support is not just support for this channel. It is support for learners like you, who are trying to change their lives step by step. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you for trusting this journey. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, you are becoming better every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.